Hey guys, Brubba Gaming here and welcome to today's video. And today we're gonna be playing some more Guns of Boom here. So in today's video, we're gonna be doing the shotgun only challenge. But Guns of Boom got a new update where they got a new gun right here. It is called Orion. Right here, it has a scope and it has really long reach. So if you guys ever played Fortnite, it's kind of like the heavy shotgun, but yeah, so let's go. We're going to be doing the classic. So yeah, let's go in. So I haven't played Boom Beach in a while, but I started playing it after this update came out. Of course, I'm not able to buy the Orion because you need to be level 22. But we are going to be playing on the Europe streets. Oh yeah, and I forgot they also changed the default shotgun that you get right away instead of the blunderbuss. I forgot what this one is. I think it's called like the Trickster or something. But yeah, it looks so different and it looks better anyways. Okay. I have no idea how he hit that, but he said we hit those. Okay, I need to stay down here, but I need to, I need the high ground, but since we're doing shotguns, I really need to get really close to people. What the heck? Yo, these people, like, can you calm down, please? There we go. No, he had a, yeah, it's called a Trickster. He does more damage than me, but he was really low. But this is going to be really difficult, especially on this map. We're losing horribly, but this is going to be really difficult. Because this shotgun, I'm probably going to have to upgrade it because it doesn't do lots of damage. Oh, no. Like, this is the best map for snipers because of how, like, long it is. What? I didn't kill him? I thought I did, but I got an assist. Come on. You're not doing too good for me, shotgun. Come on. Oh, they're there? Just drop. He's gonna get too far away from me. I saw that guy right there to my left. I have no idea how he hit that grenade, but okay. Yeah, this is not really going in our favor. But, yeah. That guy probably is gonna see me. Need to be quick. Boom. Yes, let's go. No! I tried to get away. I wanted to swoop in, get that kill, and just leave. But it didn't work. This is not a great map. Excuse me? Were you trying to shoot me, good sir? Oh, sniper right there. I need to get back. This is kind of like, the one like if it's clear, you run forward and then you gotta hide behind a wall. I'm going up there. Gotta run. Yes, let's go. Oh, that was a video notification, but come on, we're doing this. We're actually not doing too bad, but we're not doing too good either. If anybody walks by right here, I could just bully them, By bully, I can just wreck them, Why don't we just do an emote? Wave, like, what's up? No, wait. What if I do this? Cancel. Oh, I'm so low on ammo right now. I have an idea. What if we go like that? Can we look around the corner? Yes, we can. Ooh, that's so good. Yeah, that one, I had to do that. Let me pick up a shotgun. Game's over. Okay. Yeah, we did not win. I got 6 kills. Or 5 with only shotguns, but... minus 15. No, claim. Hey. That was not too bad. That was lots of money. No, oh my. Getting so much stuff. Yeah, because it's only... I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. There you go. I'm doing it. Torso, jacket, and legs. But we don't need that because this time, hopefully, we get a better map for this. I don't know what map would be good for this. Oh, farm. The farm would be great. Because I was playing, I'm like, the farm is a great map for this. So can we get farm? Oh, are you serious? Oh. We're playing on the same exact map. Your Streets is my least favorite map, especially when you're using a shotgun. Okay, that guy was really bad. So I feel like we can get a victory here. I hear shotguns. I hear people on our team dying. Excuse me? Run. Oh. He sniped me. I'm so confused. Excuse me, bro? That's what I thought. I said there was like a crouch, but there's not. Hey, buddy. I better run before he respawns. Solo, I need to heal up like now. Oh, I gotta get back. I gotta let my sniper guy do it. Or die. Okay, never mind. They are beating us somehow, some way. I have no idea. Gotta eat that right there. Oh my. Oh my gosh. I have to waste this because I really need to heal up. Come on. Oh, he's coming. Come on. Oh, he's almost dead. Just, yes, there you go. That's all you need to do is just peek around the corner and kill him. Timmy, what are you doing? Oh my gosh, I got sniped by that far. It's okay. Actually, no, it's not okay because we're losing and then I'm going to go down in trophies. This is horrible. If you guys want to do the shotgun only challenge, do not do it on this map, please. There you go, that's what I thought. Get down. Like, where are you trying to run, boy? There's no place for you to run. This is not where they spawn, but... Oh, there's one. Wait. My knife didn't hit him? Are you serious? That is junk. That's what I thought. Get out of my game. Oh, yes, I killed one of them. It's almost tied up. Where were they? So then I could just go back. What? Oh my... The knife. The knife is horrible, actually. It's actually horrible. He was the one that just ran because he knew how low he was. Like, come on. Like, these knives need to do a little bit more damage. Need to actually have some range. There you go. We are winning, which is amazing. I'm coming here to help my teammate here. I'm here. Calm down. If anybody peeks the corner, I got him. 3, 2, 1. Yes, finally we're gonna win. Win a game. Let's go. And we had 4 people. We only had 3, and we still won that. No, thank you. Coming back here, we can claim these. And how much money was that? I don't know. Open one of these. Ooh, we get an astronaut. Okay. Not too bad. And now I have 10,000. So that's pretty good. But let's keep going. Let's see if we can actually like get a ton of kills on the farm. Hopefully we get farm or any really close range map. Would it be so good. Oh, but guess what? We're gonna be on the same map. Are you serious? Gonna be on the same map 3 times in a row. Like, come on, man. Trying to make a video here, you know? This is not going too well, especially for me. Like, do people choose for maps? Because if they do, like, I don't know who likes Strip Streets. Because I don't. Okay, I'm just... Oh, dang. They're coming for me. Yeet. Oh, and he killed me too. I didn't even see him throw his grenade. What, we're losing? Come on. There we go. Plus we get 2 because of my assist. That's what I thought. Okay, now I'm gonna pick that up. I mean, put on my healing thing, whatever you want to call it, and then I'm gonna run. Woo! Gotta get out of here. If someone peeks this corner, I'm gonna wreck them. So I'm just gonna wait here. Is anybody coming? Doesn't look like it. Looks like one of my teammates just died. They're just waiting. That's what you gotta really do with the shotgun on really close range. Just hide behind a wall. Get them to just come around it. You can grenade them to like one-shot them almost. Like you could shoot them, grenade them, or grenade them, then shoot them. You know, it's up to you. But there's nobody coming around this way. Me and my sniper teammate. If somebody snipes you, I got you on this side, by the way. If I see that you start losing health and I hear a shot, okay. Okay, that was really bad. I didn't even see that grenade until it really got to me. Come on. Where is everybody? Where is everybody? What? How did he get me? Like, come on. It's really close. Oh, never mind. It's not really close. Just say it's really close. Nice job, teammate. Woo! Okay, we're gonna stay back more. Just to be careful from people like down there and over there. So, yeah. I'm just come back down here. So I don't want anybody to be sniping me. If I see somebody, I'll come down and. But I don't want anybody throwing a grenade, think that they're gonna hit it, you know? Because this is really close. Yeah, it's really close. 240 to 230. Come on, somebody from the other team just come up here. Oh, good thing that we got that kill. Ooh. Another kill, nice job. Kind of feel like running in. Oh, watch out, sniper. Ah, run before he tries to snipe me. If I had my sniper, then this would be a great map for sniper only. Come on, gotta heal up so then he can't one-shot me. Now he shouldn't be able to one-shot me, but gonna just get back. Somebody has to kill him. There you go. Finally. I'm gonna come out my teammate right here. Hey buddy. You know what? I've not seen a lot of people at all. So then we're just gonna do the waving mount. What if I do this? I can glitch myself. Oh, check out my server. But I can like look through the door. No, that's the sniper. Got a blast. He cannot see me right now, so that's good. No! Kill one more person, please! 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 My teammate was... no, my teammate was about to kill him! No! I should have been around and I should have go and killed him. Dang it, yo. Like, come on. Yeah, well, that was today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Remember to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.